So, this is actually a funny story, simultaneously a real story. Because there was a time I couldn't even sit for 5 minutes without picking up my phone. Like, literally, I would study for 5 minutes and then I'm like, dude, bus abhi ho gaya mera, I am done now. Now I need dopamine, now I need my phone. And you know what? I would pick up my phone and start scrolling. And you know what? Those reels had me in a proper chokehold. मैं literally घंटों तक scrolling करती रहती थी and time would just fly. And by the end of the day, I would be like, अरे यार आज कुछ पढ़ाई नहीं की, आज इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग की प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं की. And that guilt hit me so bad. I can't even describe that guilt in my words. Then I decided, no, this will not work. अगर ऐसे ही चलता रहा, so how will I reach my goals? Then I decided, okay, from today I'm gonna read English, I'm gonna watch English, I'm gonna listen English. And after a certain time I realized अगर देखने से सुनने से ही अगर हम इंग्लिश सीख जाते तो आज हम सभी लोग ऑक्सफोर्ड के प्रोफेसर होते. And that is a reality check actually. Watching reels, watching people speaking English will not magically make us fluent. So I thought, then I made one trick for myself to learn English. I thought, let me try something now. I will keep my phone in other room and I will study in another room. Now guess what? After 10 minutes of English speaking practice, I was like, बस हो गया मेरा, चलो फ़ोन लेके आते हैं. And I would literally get up, go to the other room, pick up my phone and start scrolling again. Seriously, this was my life. I tried a lot to make myself disciplined that no Mamta, you are strong, you can do it, you have so many dreams, you can do it, तू कर सकती है. But क्या ही कर पा रही थी मैं? Nothing, कुछ भी नहीं. But then something clicked. और है ना वो कहावत ही है कि ठोकरे खा खा के अकल आती है. Same happened with me. I read in a self-help book about habits. I learned, okay, I need to build a habit. Of course, Rome wasn't built in a day, right? So, how I can learn English and how I can build the habit of learning English in just 1 or 2 days. So, I started from small, very small. First day, I just practiced for 15 minutes. Next day, 30 minutes. And the next day, 45 minutes. Again, the next day for 1 hour. And slowly and gradually, it became 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours. And one day I was like, bro, I just studied English for 12 hours. And I was so freaking proud of myself. Now people ask me, Mamta, how do you study English for 12 hours daily? Then I'm like, dear, मैंने भी रील्स पे टाइम वेस्ट किया है. And after wasting my whole day, I would face regret, which is the worst feeling for me in this world. So everyone's journey is different. You don't know what will hit you so hard. So you just have to start taking steps. In this journey, you will learn that what is hitting you so bad and where you need to work and why you need to work, why you need to study English. You will figure out everything in this journey only. So, here is what you can do: keep your phone away, not in the same room where you practice or study. Set small targets like today, I will do just 30 minutes of practice. Slowly, you will increase this habit of practicing. Take breaks. I have experienced whenever you become serious about doing something, then we forget about taking breaks, which made us to break our consistency. I don't know about you, your experiences might be different, but I have experienced that if I become very serious about doing something and if I'm not taking breaks, so it really affect my consistency, and the next day I will be not feeling like doing this work again. So what I am saying here, after doing hard work, you need to reward yourself with the small breaks. Okay, because breaks are everything. You need to take break. And always remember, discipline is hard, but regret is harder. So pick your pain wisely. That which pain you want first. A temporary pain you get while building discipline, building consistency, or you need lifetime wala regret. Which regret you want, which pain you want. So use your pain wisely. Now I feel that that's it for today's video, and I can't speak much because as I have sore throat, I'm going through this. That's why I wasn't making videos from last many days. So last I will say, if I can go from scrolling reels all day to study English 12 hours daily, then you can do it too. So, all right, that's it for this story time. And if you found this relatable or funny, drop a comment and yeah, get back to practicing English.